What's going on, guys? My name's Sean, and if you landed here, you're watching Scar My Guitar. Now, if you follow the channel, you know that I created a pretty good radius jig for the fretboard. I mean, it doesn't take but a couple of seconds to knock that thing out. And when I say it only takes a couple seconds to knock that thing out, I'm not exaggerating in the least little bit. Yeah, the radius jig works really good. Now, the first one that I made, I put wheels on it. But see, what happened with the wheels was dust would get on these rails, and then they just roll right over the dust, causing the fretboard to have lines in it. But since the new version's rail to rail, it just pushes the dust right off. Now, you still have to put a nice clean finish and sand on it, but nothing like you would if it had lines in it. Now, I listed these guys on eBay for sale for $35 a piece, and I've sold quite a few of them. But I've also gotten quite a few messages from guys asking me if I could open up the mouth of the sled a little bit so that it would fit over a pretty large headstock, and then it could do a pre-made neck and not just the fretboard. You could put the fretboard on the neck and then radius it. And I said, yep, I can do that, because that sounds like something I'd be interested in for myself. So that's what we're doing in this video. Now, I've already made one, so let's use that thing and see how it works. So I guess you know what time it is. That's enough flip-flapping. Let's make it happen. 12-inch radius coming up. Now we did the 12-inch. Let's look at the 10 now. That's a 10-inch gauge. I don't know if you can see it or not. Perfect 10-inch, no sanding. Now, of course, we're going to finish sand it, but I'm not going to do that here on this video. Well, there you have it. Latest, greatest version of the radius jig. Works perfectly. I really like the little clamp there. Just works good, man. This thing's killer. There's a link in the description for eBay if you want one. Just let me know what size after you buy it in the comment. All right? Until next time, don't you touch my Scar guitar.